Art!
Hey kids, let's draw a cute baby elephant today, starting by doing the outline of the face and the little tuft of hair at the top. We're doing this with a bold black pen, and the trunk goes there. Let's do some eyes, oval shapes quite far apart. And the centre, pupils, a little bit of shine. Lovely, time for the eyebrows. Eyelashes, 3 on each side, and a smiley mouth. Let's do some crinkles on the nose, and the ears. They look a bit like wings, don't they? Ah, right, now for the front part, we're doing the 2 front legs, the tummy, and now we're going to do the other 2 legs, and this baby elephant is sitting down. So we show the bottom of the feet. They're almost done. Brilliant, time to thicken up the border. If we do this, it really makes the colours stand out when we paint it. There, what colour should we go for? Pink. We're using colouring pens this time, but if you like, you can use pencils, crayons, or even paint. What do you prefer? So we're carefully going around the tuft of hair. Going around the eyes. We're colouring in diagonally from one corner to the other corner. We've got a nice fine tipped pen here because it helps us go around the fine detail. Thick pens make it quite difficult to avoid colouring in bits you don't want to when you need to go around black borders like this. For example, the elephant's hair or the elephant's eyes, eyebrows, lashes. But this makes it super easy. See? Just like that. Now you don't have to do pink. You could do a blue elephant, a grey elephant, even a rainbow elephant. Whatever colour is your favourite, you can choose. We like pink because it's a baby elephant and it's so cute. So just doing the trunk. Shall we give our elephant a name? Can you think of any good names for baby elephants? How about Cubby or Cherry? How about Elsa? Frosty? Caramel? Oh, I know, Bubbles! So we're going to do the front part of the body now. Lovely. Hey, can you think of any famous elephant cartoon characters? Do you have a favourite one? Have you ever seen the movie Dumbo? It's about a little elephant who has huge ears. Now, I know elephants have big ears anyway, but Dumbo had massive ears. They were so huge, they were bigger than the rest of his body. And he got teased badly for these big ears, you know. But I tell you something amazing. He became a famous elephant because those big ears ended up being like wings, and he learned to fly. He was a flying elephant. And when he learned that he could do this wonderful thing, nobody ever teased him again. They were actually all jealous of his big flying ears. Imagine if you could fly, the things you would see from the air. Wouldn't it be exciting? Right, the main body's done. So it's time to do the rim of the ears. And the other side. Yes! Great job! Let's change the colour. We're going to go for a darker shade of pink. It's more like a fuchsia shade, quite bright. It's a lovely technique when you are shading things in to use different shades of the same colour. Meaning if you choose pink, for example, you could do light pink, medium pink, dark pink. And there are pinks which are more purpley pinks. And there are pinks which are more red kind of pinks. So you can choose different shades of light and dark and nearing to other colours. And if you want it to be really bright and colourful, you can choose completely different colours. It's all up to you. Right, we're going to go for blue eyes. Don't they look lovely? Let's go for some blue hair too. That's great because it matches her lovely eyes. Aww, she's so cute. Hey, let's draw and colour in a turtle. We're going to have loads of fun with this. You start by drawing the shell, which is sort of a semicircle, then the head, a nice big eye, colouring in the pupil, a smiley mouth. Let's do the legs and the tail, some toes, and the pattern on the shell. Some sort of hexagonal shapes going on there and a couple of rectangles too. Some triangles. Right, now let's darken up the border to make those lovely colours stand out. Ooh, this is going to look really cool, I can already tell. Okay, starting with orange for the main body of the shell, so we're just using a colouring pen here, but you can use paint or whatever you wish. And we're going around the shapes. We will do those in a minute. Excellent. Did you know that turtles live all over the world? They can be found in many different climates. Some of them live on land and some in the sea, and some live on both. Let's do purple for the first shape. And pink for the next one. So we're going to do a multicoloured shell. Ooh, it's going to look so cool. Red next. Turtles are some of the oldest animals around. If you've never had a turtle, you might not know just how long their lifespans can be. In general, turtles evolved millions of years ago, and as such, they are among the oldest groups of reptiles. As pets, certain species of turtle can live to be 10 years old or even 150 years old. That's right. So we've got a lovely rainbow multicoloured shell here, and now we're going for a lime green for the face and body. I am loving this fantastic array of bright colours. Have fun with your turtle. You can do any pattern you like on the shell, why not? You could do spirals, hearts, stars. We're going for blue legs. And some yellow toes. I'm loving this. Good job. Hi kids! Today we are going to be drawing and colouring a crab. We're starting by drawing the eyes, 2 circles, sticks just like lollipops, the pupils. Right, now for the body. Sideways oval shape. Now going for the claws. One on each side. Brilliant. A smile. And let's go for 3 legs on each side. Bit of decoration. And then we'll thicken up the border. Almost there. Get ready for some colouring. Okay, let's go for red. Crabs can be different colours, and we're doing a red one. Use your imagination. So today we're painting, but you can choose however you wish to colour in your crab. A slightly thin-tipped paintbrush because we've got to go delicately in between the back lines and around those little oval markings there. And the mouth, of course. Do you know how many different species of crabs there are? There are more than 4,500. Whoa, that's a lot of crabs. Most of them live by the coast, obviously. And did you know that they're super old? They showed up during the Jurassic period. That's when dinosaurs were around 200 million years ago. You can get teeny tiny little crabs that are half an inch long, or you can get huge crabs with 12 feet between its claws, like the Japanese spider crab. They have this hard, what we call an exoskeleton, and it protects the soft tissue underneath. And did you know that crabs walk and swim sideways? They eat meat and plants, so they're omnivores. Now we've almost finished painting in the legs and the upper half of the body. You'll see why we've left the bottom half empty. Because of this, we're going to paint it orange. It gives a lovely two-tone effect and kind of looks like the crab's tummy since it's a slightly different colour. It's these subtle things that make a big difference, you know. And just sort of blurring it in a bit. There! We're going purple for the eyes. And there we have it! Hey kids, how are you today? Let's draw a butterfly. I love butterflies, don't you? We do a circle for the head and a long oval shape for the body with some curvy lines. There, let's do the wings. They're kind of like heart shapes with one part bigger than the other part. So the top wing's going to be slightly larger than the bottom wing. And then a couple more at the bottom, one on each side. Little one. Brilliant, let's do the antennae. Curly whirly. Curly whirly. Some eyes. These are just little circles, nice and easy. And a curvy line for a smile. Now let's decorate. Some spots, one on each of the lower, smaller wings. Time to colour. We're going to do the butterfly's body in yellow using a nice bright colouring pen. You can always use paint or crayons or even pencils, whatever you prefer to use to colour in your butterfly. And if you feel like it, you could do each section of the butterfly's body in a different colour. There, let's do orange spots. Brilliant! Purple for the lower wings. I love that combination of orange and purple. The darkness of the purple really makes the brightness of the orange stand out. Lovely. Have you ever seen a real butterfly? Maybe in the garden or in the meadows? Aren't they just beautiful? Right, let's colour the wings. We're going for pretty in pink. Some nice long strokes here, colouring it in very quickly and easily. And then we just tidy up around the edges. It's got a nice thin tip, this pen, so that makes it easy to just stay in between the black lines. Same for the bottom wing. Do you know what baby butterflies are called? That's right, they are called caterpillars. Isn't it amazing how a caterpillar turns into this beautiful butterfly? They eat and eat and eat and eat, and then they form a chrysalis around them, like a happy home to live in and hibernate for quite some time, and then they burst through and come out as a gorgeous butterfly. And did you know when they come out, their wings are folded, and then they open them out. These beautiful bright pink wings. Wow! Butterflies come in all different colours. There, let's do the face now. That's going to be yellow, just like the body, but a paler yellow. And the eyes. Now let's shade the border to make it nice and thick. And it just completes the final look. And it looks great. There. Some pupils. And we are done. Brilliant!